mapping out customers and finding the right people in the organization is a multi-month experience with each individual company. But in this case, the delegates that we met were all at the right level for decision making. You're meeting a bunch of companies that have already expressed interest in the types of products that we offer. But then you have the opportunities to be out in the hallway and at the meals and the breaks to expand. I think it's a good setting.
I like the size because once you meet again throughout the entire venue, so that's good, so you can deepen your relationship and conversations. The concept of having round tables and workshops instead of pure presentations only gives very good insights and interactions for all involved people. Quality of the delegates is very good. It's the right level of people. They have the right challenges on their day-to-day business. For some of them, we definitely will be a right fitting partner to improve their supply chain and beyond that.
I think the biggest value is being able to meet so many different companies. I mean, to be totally honest about it, it's a marketing experience for us. I mean, we're contributing to the knowledge sharing as well, but in reality, you want to meet new companies. And not having to travel around Europe 12 times to meet 12 companies, so 12 unique flights to meet them at once. So value for your travel budget and for your time. So I think that's it. It's concentrated activities, yeah.
Meeting different people is always fun. Get to know each other a bit, the background and the challenges of the business, the needs of the business. The biggest value is that, interesting enough, when we had our workshop and put our thoughts in front of the crowd, what we see happening out there in the supply chain, this matches very well with what the delegates experience. Everyone is talking and are challenged by the same subjects. All in all, we are on the right way, finding the right answers for our clients and projects, yes, definitely.
Look, the solution providers were great here. I loved meeting some of them in passing, informally, but also some of the formal meetings were tailored towards my interests, our business needs, which is quite unique. It was super specific, super focused on some incredible solutions that could really help and benefit many of our businesses here.
One-to-ones are quite nice actually, because you always get, let's say, the latest from the solution providers. That always gives you a good update. Hey, where are we? Where are we running to? And from my perspective, for example, there was something very interesting where a concept of transport optimization together with sustainability optimization was merged together. And I think that was a very interesting aspect, and I did like that.